everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Daisy again. It's great to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the glass and crystal series products, which are common materials used in sublimation blanks. We have cloths, chopping boards, coaster, and photo planes. For all of them, we provide different shapes and sizes to fit your needs at the same time. You can choose the one you like. Okay, let's go for the design part. You must have a template before you start designing. For the templates, I make them 3 mm wider than their recommended printing area for better display effect. Next, based on these templates, let's talk about what kind of design will be suitable for it. You can see some of them are irregular shapes and not easy to design. Here are some design tips I would like to share with you. First, for normal shapes like rectangles, rounds, and squares, you must ensure your key elements are in the safety area, the orange area. Otherwise, your design will be partially missing. Second, for other irregular shapes like the chopping board, you must avoid your important design too close to the edge, especially the handle area. It is quite narrow, so your text or images smaller than the edge are better. Third, for the cloth, you need to beware of the hole for installation pointer. Your important elements should be put far from the hole in case this will have better results for your printing. For the last point, glass is different from normal sublimation blanks like linen, photo slate, etc. Their prints are no mirror printing is required. You can see the result through the glass before printing. That's all for today's video. This is Daisy from LOPO and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales or leave your message at below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us. Let's make life memorable.